Welcome to Module 2. In this session, we'll explore the real role of a PMO or project coordinator. Many people think PMOs only prepare reports or update Jira, but that's only a small part of the job. Think of a PMO as the control tower of an airport. Pilots fly the planes, but the control tower keeps everything coordinated and safe. Likewise, PMOs help projects run smoothly through governance, coordination, visibility, and early risk detection. Let's discover how PMOs create value throughout the project lifecycle. By the end of this module, you'll understand 3 key areas. First, where the PMO fits within the Delivery Excellence Office and why it connects delivery with governance. Second, you'll learn the PMO's responsibilities throughout the project lifecycle, from project initiation to project closure. Finally, you'll discover how reporting, governance, and timely escalation help management make better decisions and keep projects on track. If developers build the solution and project managers lead the project, what does the PMO do? Think about air traffic control. They don't fly airplanes, but they coordinate every flight safely. PMOs play a similar role. They create transparency by maintaining accurate project information and help teams identify risks early. Instead of solving every problem themselves, PMOs ensure the right people see the right information at the right time. A common misconception is that PMOs only take meeting minutes, update Jira, or remind people to finish tasks. In reality, those are supporting activities, not the purpose of the role. A modern PMO focuses on governance, coordination, and process improvement. Rather than asking people for updates every day, PMOs build systems that make project information reliable and transparent. Their goal is to improve how projects operate, not simply manage administration. Within the Delivery Excellence Office, PMO acts as the bridge between project teams and management. Delivery teams focus on building products, while governance focuses on standards, reporting, and visibility. PMOs connect these two worlds by ensuring information flows accurately in both directions. This allows leadership to make informed decisions, while helping delivery teams stay focused on execution instead of administrative work. The work of a PMO can be grouped into 3 core responsibilities. First, establish operational standards such as governance meetings, dashboards, and reporting. Second, coordinate communication between project managers, development teams, business users, and stakeholders. Third, manage project risks through RAID tracking and accurate reporting. Together, these responsibilities improve transparency, predictability, and delivery performance. Project managers and PMOs work closely together, but their responsibilities are different. The project manager owns project delivery, makes decisions, and is accountable for project outcomes. The PMO focuses on governance, reporting, coordination, and operational discipline. For example, when a milestone slips, the PM decides the recovery plan, while the PMO updates dashboards, tracks risks, and keeps stakeholders informed. Both roles are essential for successful delivery. Although PMOs and project administrators perform some similar activities, their objectives are different. Project administrators focus on scheduling meetings, managing documents, and supporting logistics. PMOs go beyond administration by monitoring governance, maintaining project data quality, coordinating delivery, and providing management visibility. In short, administrators help organize projects, while PMOs help projects succeed through better governance. PMO responsibilities begin before development starts. During demand intake, PMOs ensure every request is properly recorded and follows a standard process. During project initiation, they prepare the operational foundation by setting up Jira projects, dashboards, reporting schedules, and project milestones. Just as a strong building needs a solid foundation, successful projects begin with strong planning and governance. During project execution, PMOs continuously monitor progress, maintain RAID logs, and identify potential delivery risks. As projects move into testing and release, they coordinate UAT tracking, verify release readiness, and support deployment planning. Although PMOs don't develop software, they ensure projects remain transparent, well-governed, and predictable, giving both project teams and management confidence throughout delivery. Successful projects are built on consistent routines, not last-minute efforts. A PMO establishes a clear operational cadence to keep everyone aligned. Daily activities focus on tracking progress and identifying blockers. Weekly reviews examine project health, RAID items, and stakeholder alignment. Monthly governance looks at KPIs, reporting quality, and continuous improvement. This regular rhythm helps teams detect issues early and maintain predictable project delivery. Good reporting is more than creating dashboards. It's about providing information that leaders can trust. Every decision depends on accurate project data. That's why PMOs validate progress, Ensure KPIs are reliable and report issues honestly. Never hide delivery risks to make a project look healthy. Transparent reporting allows management to make timely decisions and provide support before small issues become major problems. Meetings should drive decisions, not consume time. Before every meeting, the PMO prepares a clear agenda so participants know the objectives. During the meeting, they facilitate discussions, capture decisions, and assign action items. Afterward, meeting minutes should be shared quickly, with owners and deadlines clearly defined. A successful meeting isn't measured by its duration. It's measured by the decisions made and the actions completed afterward. Escalation is a proactive governance practice, not a sign of failure. When risks, delays, or SLA breaches are identified early, management has time to respond. The PMO monitors project health, ensures issues have clear owners, and escalates them at the appropriate time. Early visibility reduces uncertainty, supports faster decision-making, and helps prevent small problems from becoming project crises. Reliable decisions depend on reliable data. PMOs maintain the RAID log by tracking risks, assumptions, issues, and dependencies throughout the project. At the same time, they ensure JIRA data is complete, accurate, and consistently updated. Clean project data creates trustworthy dashboards, while outdated information can lead to poor decisions. Good governance starts with maintaining a single source of truth. An effective PMO combines people skills with operational discipline. Strong communication helps coordinate diverse stakeholders, while organizational skills keep multiple activities under control. Analytical thinking enables PMOs to identify trends before they become problems. These capabilities are reflected in measurable KPIs, such as on-time reporting, meeting minute turnaround, and JIRA data accuracy. The goal is not just efficiency, but delivering reliable governance. Even experienced PMOs can fall into common traps. Some focus only on administration instead of governance. Others hesitate to report bad news or fail to validate project data before publishing reports. Another mistake is waiting for problems instead of detecting them early. A mature PMO continuously improves processes, communicates transparently, and supports timely decision-making. Great governance is proactive, not reactive. PMOs develop through different levels of maturity. At the beginning, the focus is administrative support. As experience grows, processes become standardized, KPIs are introduced, and governance becomes more consistent. At the highest level, PMOs become strategic partners by providing insights that help leaders improve delivery performance. The journey isn't about doing more paperwork. It's about creating greater value for the organization. Consider a project that reports green status every week but suddenly misses its release date. Later, the team discovers that vendor delays were never escalated, and the RAID log hadn't been updated for weeks. The problem wasn't technical. It was governance. As a PMO, ask yourself, which warning signs were missed? When should escalation have happened? This case reminds us that transparency and timely communication are essential to successful delivery. Now it's time to apply what you've learned. In the first workshop, you'll map daily operations, reporting flows, and governance activities across the project lifecycle. In the second workshop, you'll respond to a realistic project scenario involving delayed milestones and cross-team dependencies. You'll update the RAID log, prepare an escalation, and communicate with stakeholders. These exercises help transform knowledge into practical PMO skills. Let's recap the key messages from this module. A PMO is much more than an administrative support role. It enables project success by creating transparency, maintaining governance, and improving coordination across stakeholders. Good PMOs identify risks early, provide accurate information, and support timely decision-making. Remember, operational excellence isn't about producing more reports. It's about helping projects become more predictable, more transparent, and more successful. As you return to your projects, think about one improvement you can make to strengthen governance and delivery. Now it's your turn to reflect and share. Think about your current projects. Which PMO activities create the most value? Where do you experience communication gaps, reporting challenges, or delayed escalations? Have you ever seen a project fail because important information wasn't shared in time? By discussing real experiences, we can learn practical lessons and discover better ways to improve governance, collaboration, and project delivery across the organization. Thank you for completing Module 2, PMO PC Roles and Responsibilities. We hope this session has helped you better understand how a PMO contributes far beyond administration. By improving visibility, coordination, governance, and proactive risk management, PMOs play an essential role in delivery excellence. We encourage you to apply these practices in your daily work and continue building your operational capability. We look forward to seeing you in the next module of the PMO PC Operational Excellence Training Program.